Morning, handsome. What you got there? For breakfast, we have pancakes, maple pancakes with nothing on them, and some bananas and milk. Nutritious and delicious. Is that good? Morning, boo. I gotta change the lighting on this. Do you know how to do it by any chance? Are you playing the drums? Oop! Very into that, huh? Good job! Little man got a haircut yesterday. Daddy was very brave, and he took Liam and Logan by himself to get haircuts. And if anybody has a child that doesn't like a haircut, you'll know how torturous of a process that is. But doesn't he look so handsome? Look at your haircut. You look nice and spiffy. How's your breakfast going? You haven't fed it to the dogs yet. That's good. So, for daycare, this is usually how we pack our stuff. This is Logan's bag. In this top portion, if I can unzip it. Hold on. So in this top portion right here, we just stick his bottles. And this is a really nice bag because in here it's all insulated. Granted, we still usually do pack like an ice pack in here because obviously if you're out and about for a long time, that's, what? So yeah, we have that in the top. Hold on. And then in this bottom part down here, it's actually unzips, but down here we have his baby food and his spoon and stuff like that. So that's an awesome bag for a little one. Well, I'm getting this part. And then this is Liam's bag, and we just pack his lunch in here. So yeah, good stuff. And usually for Liam's lunch, what I'll do, just so to make it easier in daycare, to make it easier in daycare, I just kind of give them like a little idea of what to feed him when. So like for breakfast, they'll have a Greek yogurt pouch. Second breakfast, he's a hobbit. He'll have Greek yogurt pouch, Teddy Grahams, and an orange. Lunch, mac and cheese, chicken nuggets, apples, slices, and Cheez-Its. And then for a snack, he's got fruit and a veggie pouch and crackers. And then we usually feed him dinner at home. So that's Liam's stuff. And I got to tend to my little... Alright guys, while I have 5 seconds in the car, this is not safe, but I'm having this for breakfast, and I also had a banana. So, yep, that's what's going on. Today's daycare day, so it's always a little more stressful than most days because I have to actually leave at like 7:30 opposed to 8:05. So that extra 35 minutes, I can get a lot done. So yeah, that is breakfast, and I'll show you what I'm having for lunch when I can. Okay, bye. Hi, buddy. My camera won't focus. You look tired. Oh yeah, and this is the prime no makeup look. I did bring my makeup, but haven't had a chance to put it on, so yeah. Looking pretty sexy. Was he eating crackers? What you got there? You like it?
I got a fun story for you.
What?
So get into the office. Go to the bathroom. Go wash my hands.
Yeah.
I noticed on the side of my sleeve a couple of brown spots. Liam had poo on his hands this morning.
Yeah.
Liam gave Daddy a big hug.
Oh, Daddy had poop on himself all day?
No. This is the shirt I had on my desk. For working out.
Oh, good. I want some of those too. Uh-oh. Here we go. I think I turned it on. It was on.
I know how you feel. I've been looking forward to the contest too. I'm this year's judge. You are?
And you probably know what species the other fish catchers are.
I do, buddy. We have 3 excellent competitors. It'll be a tough contest, especially since one.
Sorry if you hear me crunching. I'm eating carrots. What are you up to, Boomba? Oh, are we doing our spin dance? Nope. Careful. Blurry wiggles. Lip poke. Oh, I have hiccups. What's up, maniac? Uh-oh. What's wrong with brother? Oh my god, are you kidding? Logan. What? Do you want Mama to pick you up? My little man's teething. This is chaos. And clearly this is not a Weight Watchers friendly meal because it is loaded in cheese. But this is my dinner.
Is cheese really your biggest downfall here?
No, pretty much the whole thing is
Okay.
Weight Watchers awful. But it's gonna be good. Today was sort of a particularly rough day with the children. Liam was very grouchy. My poor husband was gonna have a stroke, I think. Some days you're just not... I have a ton of crap all over me. I have like powder from the baby's diapers. Some days you're just not mentally equipped to deal with children. It's very draining. So, especially after a long day of work.
This is why I turned to the bottle. Chocolate milk.
So, we were discussing how this dinner is not Weight Watchers friendly, but at the same time, I did well for breakfast and I did well for lunch. So, I figured 2 meals are better than no meals. So, I'm going to chalk that up as a win. But I'm going to eat this and then that's pretty much it. Sorry, this vlog was really boring, but...
You're lucky to get a vlog at all.
Why did you sound like an old, mean man?
Because you're supposed to, you're apologizing for doing something that you don't have to do and you go out of your way to do.
I don't go out of my way. I kind of do this
You
for
sure as
myself.
hell do. What time did you go to bed last night?
11.
What time did I go to bed last night?
10:45.
Was it really that close?
Yeah. Alright, guys. See you later.